The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is a flagship smartphone that was announced in January 2023 and released in March 2023. It has a 6.8-inch Edge QHD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 1750 nits 12. It is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform for Galaxy octa-core processor and has up to 16GB of RAM and up to 1TB of internal storage 12. It has a quad rear camera setup with a 200MP wide-angle camera, a 12MP ultra-wide camera, and two 10MP telephoto cameras with 3x and 10x optical zoom and up to 100x digital zoom 12. It also has a 12MP selfie camera on the front 12. It has a 5000 mAh battery that supports fast charging, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging 12. It also supports S Pen input with a built-in S Pen slot 12. It comes in various colors, such as green, lavender, cream, lime, sky blue, graphite, and red 12.